You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 25. Let's solve it step by step. Remove the ones. A variable's value does not change when it is multiplied by 1, so we can eliminate it. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 2x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 18 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the x into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 25.